salatlar olib kelishdi. Mana shuni smalog'li salat.
Bu ismaloq nima dengiz o'tlari bo'lishi ham mumkin.
Ha,
Juda yumshoq ekan.
Dengiz o'tlarida bo'lishi ham mumkin jana. Senga yoqdimi? Rostdan.
Yaponiyaga ketasan.
Guli Rayhonni hozir sizga alohida space zakaz olib kelishadi. Kulishingiz ham ajoyibda.
Qancha chekkandan qo'ymas.
Yana nima aytdingiz?
Hozir endi adam sushi yemaylar-ku, birorta baliq
Tanib qoldilar.
Doston beynimiz so it was a pity I missed it, but I'm such a big fan and I'm so glad that you guys
Thank you very much.
Thank
How
you.
was it?
Good, good.
Yeah, you guys had a good time?
Yeah, actually our flight was cancelled, that's why we're one day staying in Mumbai.
Oh, so you're headed back to
Back to Tashkent, tomorrow.
back to Tashkent?
Yeah,
Your flight is
tomorrow
cancelled.
ketamiz.
Yeah.
Good, we got to see you,
Yes.
I guess. You have an extra day in Bombay. What plans? What are you guys doing?
We'll prepare and go back, I think. This night we have to leave.
So you're just having a relaxed,
Yeah.
Chilling. Right.
no agenda.
No agenda, no agenda.
You like
Thank you.
Bombay so far?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
I love that.
If you need anything, please let me know.
Thank you very much.
I'm around. I'm sitting here for a while.
Okay.
Buram mehmon do'stlik bular.
Yana qolsak-ku, go wherever you want to go, guys.
Yo, oling, Alijon, oling.
Please.
Yeah. Chiroyligina. One photo. Ana, rosa chiroyli beribdilar, gullar. Shuncha odam fotoapparatlarni ham olishadi. Ha, pishdi.
Ha, yana.
Ay, chiroyliligini. Juda chiroyli, Alijon. Tagini qarang.
Kerak. Rasmga qo'y-ke, dastur.
Ha.
Kema olib turaman ham bor.
Video ham rasm.